Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR or zip files on your OPPO A54s using the app called RAR. So first of all, let's open our app like this, then move to the file that you want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM, and then camera. From here you can see the pictures that were, and that's the file that we're gonna unpack. Now select this file and you'll be able to enter it. But this one's protected with password, so I need to enter the password. Then press OK, and I'll be able to unpack it now. Select the files that you want to unpack, or if you want to unpack everything inside of this RAR file, don't select anything, simply leave it like that, then press the arrow. So I'm just gonna select everything because it actually doesn't matter, but just to show you, and then press the arrow pointing up, and you'll be able to unpack the files right here. So first pick browse and move where you want to unpack your files. Mine are going for movies. Okay. You can also change settings for unpacking, like ask before override, override without prompt, or skip existing files. You can also enable or disable keep broken files, or do not extract the paths, and lastly is display extracted files. So after everything is set here, we can press OK, enter the password again, and the files will be unpacked. So now let's move back to the movies, and here's the 3 pictures that were in this RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.